Okay, everybody, I'm going to give you a little bit of an introduction to the calculator. Then I'm going to show you how to get into a file on the calculator that will give you a bit of a tutorial on how to use the basic functions of this calculator. I think you're going to find that this is a much more powerful calculator, pretty much just a computer, and it can do so many more things than our old calculator did. Now, of course, you've probably figured out already to turn the calculator on, just press the on button over here that has the icon of a home with on top of that. Now, you know, if you ever get lost or anything or want to get back to this home screen, all you got to do is press that button again and you get there. Now, to make this easier for you to follow along, I've got a picture of the calculator here on the left of my screen, and then this is just a blown up version of what's on the display screen on your calculator. So on the left-hand side of your home screen where it says Calculate and Graph, those are the features that the TI 83s and 84s had. So you can use it as a calculator and do different calculations, of course, or statistical things like box plots, scatter plots, things like that. But you can also use it as a grapher and graph functions. Now, the powerful thing about this calculator is it's actually a document processor. So on the other side of the home screen, you can create, edit, import, export documents. So what I want you to do is go over to that side of your screen. So just press the right arrow there and then go down to, you can either use your scroll down arrow or go to number 2 where it says My Documents. So go to My Documents and then press Enter there on your calculator. Now your screen might look a little different than mine because it's the first time you turned on your calculator, but you notice here this is the My Documents folder. So you want to get into that folder. And you might not have all these subfolders that I have, but go to the example subfolder. Now hopefully you've got maybe just this file in there or a few files. We want to go to this Getting Started file. Notice the folders have a picture of a folder on them and the files look like a page. We want to go to Getting Started and click on that. Okay, so click on the Getting Started and that will bring that page up. Notice when the Getting Started document comes up, your screen changes a little bit and the actual document is now active. So at the top of the tab here you see these are page numbers. So this is problem number 1, page 1, problem number 1, page 2, and so on. All right, so now this document is going to help you get an introduction to this TiNspire technology. So you want to just follow through this document and it actually tells you what to do in each step. So notice if you read this page, it says press the control then the right arrow. So back on your calculator to get to the next page, if you press control right arrow, we'll now go to the next page, which was 1.2. So what I'd like you to do is go through this document and learn how to do some of the basic things on your new TiNspire, and then we'll pick it up from there in class. So spend some time, give yourself maybe a half hour to do this. And if you need to, you can stop and come back anytime you'd like. Try to have this done within the next day or so. Thank you.